you're somebody who doesn't back down from a challenge easy, this is probably a good place for you. Typical day for us, we get to the shop at about 7 o'clock and get everything loaded up for the day, go ahead and head out. Back the truck down, get a chance to meet the homeowner, kind of go over the project and make sure expectations are set. And then from there, you kind of roll your sleeves up and get to work, get as much done as we can in that time, and load back up, head back to the shop, and do it all over again the next day. You're not alone out here in the field. You know, you got a support team behind you back at the office, and they're all great to deal with. Well, you know, a lot of the jobs we go to, the customers have had other people come out and try to give them permanent solutions, and you can just tell that they're real worn out and beaten down from just trying to solve their issues. So when we come in there and get it done right, being able to see the smile on their faces and just kind of hear them breathe a sigh of relief, that's a pretty good feeling to know you're doing that for people. So one of the real cool things about working here, one of my favorite parts, is getting a chance to work on real old houses. Like this one right here behind me is pretty old, it was built in 1900. So being able to get under there and see how things were built 100 years ago and fix it so it can be around for another 100 years, that's pretty awesome. I'm John Ryan, Foundation Repair Team Leader, and that's why I'm happy I chose Lowcountry.